Hey guys, so I'm going to take a look at Life of Fred, lesson 47, lesson 47, number 4, and then I'll post another video for Life of Fred, lesson 48, number 9. But they're actually very, very similar kinds of problems, so maybe after you take a look at number 4, you can try number 9 on the other one first before watching that video if you have questions on them both. So we'll start with Life of Fred 47, number 4. So here's some of our given information. So we have this triangle, and I went ahead and wrote in that this is the sine of theta, because it's the opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1, so this is sine of theta, this is cosine theta, because cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Again, hypotenuse is 1. We're given that we want to find theta for when the area is root 3 over 8. So we're going to combine a couple things here. So we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we're given the base and the height here in terms of sine and cosine. So that's the same thing as 1/2 cosine theta sine theta. So we can rewrite this then as 1/2 cosine theta sine theta is equal to root 3 over 8. So this is getting close to looking like our identity for our double angle identity for sine, but we have a 1/2 in front instead of a 2. So something that we can do is we can multiply both sides, the entire equation, by 4, and then if we do that, then we get 2 cosine theta sine theta is equal to root 3 over 2, which that is exactly what we want to see for our double angle identity for sine. So then we can rewrite that sine of 2 theta is equal to root 3 over 2. So you should have your unit circle handy or have it in your head at this point. So we know that 2 theta then is equal to, I have it both in degrees and in radians, 60 degrees or pi over 3 radians. But that's 2 theta, not theta. We want theta, so we just divide both sides by 2, and then we end up 30 degrees or pi over 6. So that's how we did this one. It's nice and easy because the hypotenuse is 1. So these sides are cosine theta, sine theta, nice and easy. With the other problem, the hypotenuse is 3, so it's a little bit trickier, but basically the same problem. So take a look at that. I'll post another video for that one. So hope this made sense. Thanks.